Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello sa Sagittarius Placements. This is your short lang na love reading. Okay, this is timeless by the way. So, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre po, kung mayroon pong mga tanong pagdating sa private reading sa ating mga items, okay, yung ating mga pang protection from evil eye na ibinabato sa atin, love bracelet, si granter na taga-grant ng ating mga minamanifest and nagbibigay ng surprises, and syempre yung ating pang cord cut. So yeah, message na lang po, no? Okay, so let's start the reading agad-agad for you, Sag. So who is the person on your mind? The person on Sagittarius' mind. Who is this? Let's see, ano bang meron sa kanya? Anong meron? Person ng mga Sagittarius. Okay. The lovers could be a Gemini. What's with that lovers? Strong feelings, strong affection, strong connection maybe yung nararamdaman mo for this one, or pwedeng vice versa or flip. Okay. Oh, the world in reverse. Pwedeng meron kang mga natutunan sa connection na to na ibinigay niya, na pinagdaanan nyo. Some of you have this unfinished business. May nangyaring separation or endings dyan sa connection. Pero yes, you still feel them. Maybe energetically. Okay? So, anong kailangan mong malaman dito, Sag? Anong kailangan malaman ng mga Sagittarius ang situation ninyo sa ngayon? Okay, the Four of Pentacles. Somebody is still holding on. Maybe parang gustong protektahan pa rin kung anong nangyari, or sabi natin yung pagsasama. Andyan yung pagpapahalaga pa rin. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. Somebody wanting, ng new beginning dito. Maybe some of you, this is you, you're waiting maybe. Okay? Meron ditong still holding on, holding back rin naman. Pero open for new, or sabi natin, yeah, for new beginning dito sa connection nyo na to. Yeah, somebody is crying over this, losing sleep. Yan. Okay? So, some of you, ang isang nakikita ko dito na dahilan kung bakit walang action sa ngayon is the tension. Okay? The tension in general, na ibinibigay dahil gawa nga ng separation. So, itong taong to ka-separate mo, pwedeng Gemini, Earth, Fire, could be any sign. Let's see, what is their emotion right now for you? What is their emotion right now? Iba sa inyo nakikita ko, ito ha, meron ka pa rin itinatago na pwedeng ibinigay ng taong to, or pwedeng siya rin may ganon na itinatago na pwedeng ibinigay mo. Yes, that's specific. What is their emotion right now for you, Sag? What is their emotion? The Nine of Cups. Unfulfilled. Bakit ganon? Parang pakaramdam niya hindi kanya makuha, hindi pwede. Unfulfilled. Hindi kanya makuha. Like, yeah, nandoon yung sadness ng taong to. Why? What's with the Nine of Cups in you first? Yeah, they really love you. The King of Cups. They really love you a lot. A lot. Yeah, they're manifesting you. Hindi ko alam kung bakit may nangyaring separation dito. Kanya-kanya yan. Kanya-kanyang dahilan. Okay? The Two of Pentacles is here. Somebody is a juggler. Maybe juggling. 2 options maybe. Or 3. More. Okay? Tingnan natin. Or so, sabihin natin pwedeng hindi balanse. Or hindi nagiging equal. Yung time. Maybe effort. No? Let's see what is their next action towards you. Now, na nakita natin na nandun yung like love para sa'yo. Okay? Tingnan natin ano ang kanyang next action towards you, Sag. The Six of Swords. Gusto nilang i-fix kung anong kailangan i-fix sa situation. Yeah, they have plans. Six of Swords. Yeah, see, the star. They want to fix things. They want to heal things with you. Yeah. Alam mo, ang nangihinayang itong taong to, kung kayo ay hindi nga magkasama ngayon, hindi kayo nag-uusap, ang laki ng panghihinayang. Ang tingin nito sa'yo is ikaw yung pwede niyang makasama habang buhay. Hindi ko alam, some of you flip yung energy. Okay, pwedeng ikaw ito pagdating sa kanya. May ganyan po, ha? Nagre-reversed. Okay, ikaw yung nakikita niya na pwedeng makasama niya forever. Yeah, like wife material, husband material, like that. Okay, gusto nilang i-fix everything. Kung anong kailangan i-fix sa situation ninyo. What is the outcome? Let's see. Yeah, sobrang ano lang, no? Sobrang dali lang na reading. Ano bang meron? Outcome ninyo. Yeah. The Three of Cups. This is what? Reconciliation card. Tingnan nyo. Parang ano, no? Parang, ang tawag dyan, scripted, no? Parang scripted yung bunot natin. Kung titingnan ninyo, pero binabalasa natin. Kita nyo naman. Di po ba? So, the Three of Cups is the outcome. Reconciliation in general. Pakikipag-ayos, pakikipagbalikan. Anong meron dyan sa Three of Cups? The Hierophant in reversed. Sinasabi rito na wag munang makikipag-relationship muli. Okay? Agad-agad. Sinasabi dito na pwedeng, okay, mag-start muli kayo as friends. Like that. Kasi meron na kayong pundasyon nitong taong to. Yeah. Andito yung panghihinayang niya actually. Hindi nito hahayaan na manghihinayang na lang siya if ever. Kaya gagawa ito ng paraan para ma-fix yung inyo kung ano man yan. Yung mga dapat maayos. Okay? Alam niya kung anong mawawala sa kanya. Yeah. May takot itong taong to. Yeah. The King of Swords Universe. May takot siya na hindi ma-fix or hindi kayo maging okay. Yeah. Gagawa ito ng paraan para, yeah, the Eight of Pentacles Universe. Gagawa siya ng paraan para yung mga hindi, sabihin nating, gumagana. Pagdating sa situation ninyo is gumana. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, sinasabi rito, okay, magkaroon ng, sabihin nating reconnection, magkakaroon ng reconnection, pero hindi sinasabing magbalikan agad. Okay? Hindi sinasabing magbalikan agad. Pero yeah, there's this opportunity or sabihin nating potential ng comeback. Yes. May potential. Yeah. The Eight of Cups Universe. Pagbabalikan po. Okay? So, maybe some of you are manifesting a comeback or maybe them. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. Ayaw nila to. The missed opportunity. Alam kasi nila kung anong mawawala. Alam nila. Yeah. So, yeah, strong connection. Nice. Oo, like typical na love read. May pagbabalikan, no? So, tayo ay tumungo na sa all signs. Okay, all signs for Sagittarius placements. Let's see. Sag. Aries through Pisces, the zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Aries. Turned back. Like, pwedeng feeling hopeless. Not expecting something. Taurus, they want to see you. Na-energize tong taong to every time na nakikita ka. Gemini, they love you. Cancer. Okay, so ayaw nila ng negativities, actually. Leo, they're like coming for with a love offer, parang ganyan. Some of you, pwedeng nga they're interested. They like you. Virgo, they're healing. They want to heal things. Libra, feeling incomplete, maybe without you. Yeah. Scorpio, rushing things. Some of them, they like to communicate. They want to communicate. Sagittarius, there's this energy of stress, energy of mixed signals maybe. Capricorn, they're invested, they're waiting patiently, no? Aquarius, okay, so some of them, they will make a judgment, okay? Sabihin nating kasagutan, gagawa na ng action like that. Okay, Pisces. So, they want a new beginning, a new connection, maybe. Some of you, I'm getting this energy of makeup sex with this Pisces. Yeah. Okay, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box below yung link. Thank you. Bye.